Welcome. So, in this series, we would start with some of the important topics with UPSC prelims. So, the very first topic is a discovery of a new self destructive planet. Now, this planet has been unique because what happens is this planet actually triggers flares to the host star, and this automatically seals the fate of its own existence. So, it's nearly 400 light years away from us, and this is in the system of HIP 67522 in the Scorpius Centaurus star cluster. Now, nearly 17 million years old. That means in the category of stars, it is categorized as a teenage star. Now, one of the most important things to understand here is this is the closest to its main star, right? So, in our solar system, the closest one is Mercury. So, Mercury is nearly 12 times far as compared to this star, which is the HIP 67522b, and therefore, since it's very close, that is one of the reasons it could actually spark more fate for self-destruction because of the flares that are released. Now, again, the interesting fact is initially it is of the size of Jupiter. Because of this unique interaction that is happening between the host star and this star, the orbit star, what happens is the size is reducing from the size of a Jupiter to a Neptune size, and therefore it is constantly shrinking. Now, the discovery is really important. This has come in line with various telescopes. Then the flares which were analyzed were studied, and finally they are synchronized with the orbit, and this self-destructive mechanism was identified. So what happens is this star actually follows a tight orbit, and then there are magnetic field of lines which actually act like a spring. Then what happens is the waves of the energy go towards the magnetic field, and finally these energy meet the surface of the star, leading to the burst of the flare. So what is the fate? It is actually having increased radiation risk with nearly 6 times more radiation than other planets receive, and it is believed that in the next 100 million years this would actually shrink from the Jupiter size to a Neptune size. Now, this discovery is important because it helps us to understand new interactions and understand the planetary evolution. The future researchers, specifically in the field of magnetic energy waves, become important, and finally it helps us under detecting how a unique planet detection technique could be utilized to understand the patterns for the distant stars. So this was an interesting topic that we have discussed. We would be coming on to interesting further topics which are highly important for your prelims point of view. Stay tuned. Thank you.